know there's a dryer ball that can be used more than once, and some amazing fire puffs that can light a fire anywhere, especially during winter camping. Also, there's a portable water purification device that lets people get clean water. Wait, this one will shock you. There's an invention that is a movable home sauna tent. Can you believe that? If you don't, you're about to find out. Let's look at 12 ingenious inventions for winter camping. 12. Hedgehog Dryer Buddy. The Hedgehog Dryer Buddy is a dryer ball that can be used more than once. It speeds up drying, gets rid of static, and fluffs clothes. The product is meant to be long-lasting and good for the earth, which will cut down on waste and energy use. The Hedgehog Dryer Buddy is made of TPR and comes in a set of 2. The product is great for people with sensitive or delicate skin because it spreads out wet clothes in the dryer so that heat can work better. Also, the Hedgehog Dryer Buddy comes in a number of colors and is easy to use. Just put the Hedgehog Machine Buddy in the machine and let it do its thing. The product is a great way to help the earth and lower your carbon footprint. 11. Radi Light Fire Puffs. Radi Light Fire Puffs are great for starting a fire when you're outside. They are safe to use, don't smell, and aren't harmful. The Fire Puff Complete Kit comes with a real magnesium striker that can withstand 1,000 strikes and enough tinder to start up to 45 fires when divided up. The Radi Light Fire Puffs don't cost much and work for about 6 minutes each, or 1 minute per inch when divided up. Because of this, they are a reliable and useful way to start a campfire in the woods. The Radi Light Fire Puffs Complete Fire Starter Kit is sold by Revzilla. It comes with a striker that can be used 1,000 times and enough wood to start 45 fires. 10. Tops Tracker Digger. The Tops Tracker Digger is a fixed blade knife that can be used for many things, including digging. Its blade is wide and thick, giving it weight and strength, and its handle is big enough to fit any hand. There's something different about the Tracker Digger knife that makes it useful for a lot of people. You can use it to make fire pits, dig roots in your yard, gather wild foods in the forest, and more. The knife has a black traction covering that makes it easy to hold. It also comes with a nylon sheath that has a large front pouch that can hold micro survival kits, a sharpening system, or anything else the user can think of. The Tracker Digger is a one-of-a-kind tool that is useful for survivalists and people who like being outside. 9. Puribag. The Puribag is a portable water purification device that lets people get clean water while they're on the go. The 10 liters bag uses a new in-bag water treatment method that blends filter technology, flocculation/sorption, and chemical disinfection to meet the standards set by the World Health Organization, WHO, for safe drinking water. The bag is easy to give away, use, and keep clean. It can handle source waters with high and low turbidity as well as high and low amounts of pollution, making it a fully integrated way to treat water. There is a Puribag Pro system and a hollow fiber membrane filter straw kit with 12 ng purifier of water sachets. Each sachet can clean 10 liters of water. That's where you can get Puribag. Eat well and drink plenty of water. 8. Tronotum. Tronotum makes outdoor furniture that is very light. The people who buy their goods are those who love nature and spending time outside without giving up comfort. People of all ages can use Tronotum items, and they are easy to do. They're great for outdoor activities, like hikes, camping, and picnics. Items from Tronotum are made from good materials and are made to last. The company's goal is to provide the most pleasure with the least amount of work, and their creative designs have helped them reach this goal. Tronotum is perfect for people who want to be comfy and stylish outside. 7. K-Drill Ice Auger. K-Drill Ice Auger is a well-known brand of ice augers and electronics for winter fishing. It was made to work with the powerful brushless handheld portable electric drills of today. The auger's 3 high-carbon steel blades work like a magic wand to cut through both new ice and old frozen holes. It is the only ice auger system that is specifically made for portable electric drills and is also the lightest and easiest to use one ever made. The K-Drill Ice Auger system is easy to use, doesn't cost much, and makes holes in the ice quickly, making it a reliable choice for ice fishermen. Amazon is where you can get the K-Drill Ice Auger. Have fun ice fishing. 6. Buy Glue. The main thing that Buy Glue does is make very light outdoor gear. Their products are made to last a long time, be good for the earth, and last. This is one of their most well-known items, the Bee Blue Aerogel Sleeping Bag. It is designed to keep you warm in weather as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit / -40 degrees Celsius. Aerogel is the world's lightest solid and a great absorber of heat, and the sleeping bag is made of a single layer of it. The sleeping bag is also waterproof, doesn't let wine through, and is very light, making it perfect for people who love the outdoors and going on adventures. Bee Blue's goal is to make people as comfortable as possible with as little work as possible. They have reached this goal through their creative designs. 5. Advenet Hybrid. The Advenet Hybrid is a shovel that can do more than one thing. It can also be used as an emergency shelter in the woods. The shovel's blade is thick and wide, giving it weight and strength. The handle is also big enough to fit any hand. It can also protect you from avalanches if you get stuck in one while exploring. The Hybrid Pro shovel has an avalanche system built right in. You can use the shovel to dig roots in your yard, build fire pits, gather wild edibles in the forest, and more. The Hybrid Pro form of the shovel has an emergency bivouac built in, which makes it easy to carry all of the safety gear you need in one place. The Advenet Hybrid is a unique and useful tool for survivalists and people who like being outside. 4. Sweet Tent. The Sweet Tent is a movable home sauna tent that lets you enjoy a strong sauna experience in comfort, even when you're on camp. The Sweet Tent sauna tent is designed to give off the most heat, 200 degrees Fahrenheit, in the least amount of time, 20 to 30 minutes. The tent is easy to put together and use, and it has a powerful sauna burner that meets WHO standards for clean drinking water through filter technology, flocculation/sorption, and chemical disinfection. Researchers have found that using a sauna can help your heart health in many ways, such as lowering your blood pressure and making your heart work better. Also, being in the heat has been shown to reduce stress and improve health in general. You can buy Sweet Tent straight from their website. 3. ThermaRest Polar Ranger. The ThermaRest Polar Ranger is a high-performance down sleeping bag that is made to last in very cold weather. The bag is made of 800 fill Nikwax hydrophobic down TM that is PFC-free and very easy to compress. It keeps its loft and warmth for long expeditions in the Arctic cold. The bag is also waterproof, doesn't let wine through, and is very light, making it perfect for explorers and people who like being outside. The famous polar explorer Eric Larson helped make the Polar Ranger, which is meant to be used in the coldest places on Earth. The backpack is the smallest and has the most features in its class. It is made with cutting-edge box baffle construction. The bag has a special snorkel hood that closes magnetically and helps keep heat in, while moving sweat away from the bag to keep its loft. The bag is great for people who want to dress up and enjoy the outdoors. 2. Grave Force Camping Hot Tent Stove. The Grave Force Camping Hot Tent Stove is a movable stove that burns wood and is great for people who like to be outside. It is made of stainless steel and isn't heavy, so it's easy to move around. The burner makes high-efficiency heat and keeps it well, which makes it great for camping and cooking outside in the winter. The Grave Force Camping Hot Tent Stove comes with a sectional chimney pipe and a tent stove jack, which lets you raise the stove up to 6.7 feet. It's easy to move and store the stove because its legs are foldable and small. The stove also has a high-temperature resistant glass door that campers can open at any time to enjoy the roaring flames and see how the wood is burning. The Grave Force Camping Hot Tent Stove can be bought on Amazon. 1. HCK5R. It is the goal of the HCK5R graphene warming gloves to keep your hands warm and comfortable in cold weather. The gloves are made of a material that doesn't let wind or water through and have a graphene core that heats up quickly and has 3 temperature sets. The gloves are made to be tough and last a long time, which makes them great for camping, skiing, traveling, and other outdoor activities. The gloves are also good for the environment and will last for a long time, so they are a great option for people who want to reduce their carbon footprint. A lot of people who like being outside already love the HCK5R gloves, and they were successfully funded on Kickstarter. Thank you so much.